really? I didn't turn on the fan. Okay. Okay, so I have been waiting. So basically, this mouse right here, this Razer mouse, I've had this for a really long time, and I one time raged and I broke the mouse wheel. So we ordered one from China, and it took 3 to 4 to 5 months, and we finally got it. So now, I guess we're gonna fix it, but we gotta unplug it. So I'm gonna go under the table real quick and unplug this. I'll be right back.
What did I think I was doing?
Okay, that's it right there. Unplug that. Now we unplug the mouse. Now the mouse we could use without getting freaking electrocuted. So, Dad gave me this little mini kit, screwdrivers. I don't really like doing the whole hand thing. There you go. It's a little hand kit, you know. So we do that. I think you put something in there. I don't know. But so how you take apart this mouse is, dude, it took me like freaking a couple hours to realize how to like get the bottom. I had to tear the sticker off. Let's just say that. Freaking, I don't like doing this hand thing. So, and then we're gonna do this side. Focus. Focus. There you go. And now, but I realized you have to take off the side grip here. The side grip. So, we're gonna, I had already done it before and it's already peeled off, so all we gotta do is just, hold on, listen. Shh. Wait, shh. Listen. Wait, no, actually just look. It's more satisfying if you just look. That hurts a lot. It's like a bunch of little needles. Wait, what side am I peeling off? This side, you ready? Watch, you ready? That's already there because that's the glue to keep it stuck. So we're gonna grab, why is it so, like, on my face? What? I gotta move back. Alright. I'm gonna grab one of these little dudes. I think we grab, let's see which one fits better. I can't even, is that even, oh! That one works good, the T3. Alright. Put that down right about there. Put this in here. Okay, looks like we're gonna grab a bigger one because this one ain't working. So let's use this one. This one looks right about right. Yes, I do have a Naruto poster. It's hard to see because it's like opposite. So why is it not focusing on my face? You freaking focuser! Focus on me. Yeah, there you go. Focus. Alright. Why is that? I don't. Alright, let's just do the other side in the meantime. You ready? Listen to this. You gotta kind of go under it. Listen. Ooh, baby, I like that. God. Just God. Okay. I don't freaking have anything smaller than this. Freaking the smallest thing I have is this. And I don't even know if this will work. We got both grips off. Oh, I think I got it. I got one. I'm getting the screw out right now. I gotta put it on the yellow so I can see. That's how small the drill bit has to, or the thing, so I could unscrew it. That's how small it has to be. Look at that. It's small. Now we're gonna do the other side. I don't know why it's so wrinkly. Here comes my brother. We're getting the other screw out. And the mouse wheel that we bought, I'll show you it again after I get this out. This thing, it came from China. 3 to 5 times that. I thought you could hear it. Guess not. Okay. Now that we've got both sides out, I kind of forgot what to do. Oh yeah, you take out these bottom screws. Oh, I need to rinse that off. That's not good. This iron stuff at the tip, I don't think that's good. Yeah, alright. Well, I don't think I have smaller. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Alright, here's one. What? Are you kidding me? Here's the other tiny screw. Right now, Brandon. Alright, we're good. We're Gucci. I'm done. I literally can't get that out. That is impossible to get out. It's not possible. And then I need to wedge it out, so switch this drill bit thingy. Oh, hands smell like metal. I hate that smell. Hear that click? That's good. That's what we need. That's what we want. Okay, that's not what we want. That's not also what we want. That's not also what we want. I need to get this. Oh, I have to Everything smells like it. Ah! Let's try this drill bit, even though it won't work. Just guessing at this point. Am I just dripping it? Yeah, I'm just running it more. Wait, it looks like it's actually starting to come out. Looks like we have to use force, kind of. I forgot how you do this. Yeah, you gotta pop this off. You gotta pop the bottom off. So this should come out. This bottom portion. God freaking fricker with the fricker on top. Oh my god, it's already 12 minutes? Oh, let me cut. No, I don't want to cut. Ah, I'll cut. Okay. So, I just lost it again. I still haven't got it out. Still trying to, but it's not coming out. I don't think I am having high hopes right now. I'm trying to bang it out, but it's not coming out. Come on! I need this to come out, or else I'll break something. Oh shoot, my wrist is starting to clench up. I'm gonna have to just pull it out forcefully. I don't want to though. But I might have to. 3, 2, 1. Okay. No, it's not working. Yeah. Okay, looks like we have to go in with the big boys. I got nothing bigger than that, so... Oh, this is really annoying. I'm really getting sick of this. Oh shoot. I think my wrist just popped out of place. Oh. Wait, I want to check something. That doesn't feel good. It's literally there. It's literally there. Oh. Wait. Oh, okay. I was about to say. Wait. Frick, I need a flashlight. I felt something hit my feet. And I'm kind of nervous on what that was. Because, it was definitely the screw. But, bad news. Can't find the screw. Cannot find the screw. Oh, there it is. Found it. Oh. 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 Found it as soon as I start recording. I mean, let's go, but like, same time, no, you know what I'm saying? Like, alright guys, so, the problem here is this. You see this? That needs to turn this red thing. It needs to turn that, and it's not turning it. Me and someone.
For some reason, I didn't say my mom. Honestly, I have no idea why. But, hey, Mom, if you're watching this, thank you, and, yeah, love you.
Do all that. So, I need a screw, like, this one will work. I'll take this off. I don't even know what that is, but I'm kind of concerned. I guess it was like glue or something. Gotta take the Ellie thing, Ellie, just Ellie in general, you know, like that girl, Ellie. If there's one of you, bruh, if there's one of you girls named Ellie, which I doubt no girls watch my channel, go ahead and like and comment, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take this, I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna take this out. It's a little sticky because of the thing we made. And I'm gonna pull this out. That was the thing we made, and then we're gonna pull this out. This is what broke. Here, I need to get a Clorox wipe. I'll be right back. Hold up. freaking Kleenex or freaking anything. Anything. Okay, I'm recording, but okay. Okay, hope you guys didn't hear that. If you did, that's funny. But alright, so we got some foam cleaner. Because I didn't find the clock swipes, so we're just gonna have to kind of resort to this. Alright, so now we're gonna get our new mouse wheel. So we got it right here. Shout outs to Case, Mobile Case. If it could focus. They have Jelly Case. They have a screen protector and a waterproof bag. And there's a mouse wheel in here. So, I don't know. Guess, how do we open this? I don't want to be a brute about this, just in case something goes wrong. Okay, so there's a little slit you open here. It's like a Ziploc bag, which I really like. So, I'm going to get the mouse wheel. Yes. You know, coronavirus, so I'm going to clean this. Alright, let's see here. It came from China, so let's just, you know, clean this up real quick. I don't know if it gets rid of diseases and whatnot, but it's gonna have to do. Clean this, clean that, just clean everything. Alright, now, I'm gonna take the wheel. We're gonna place it in here, so just gonna kinda, I don't wanna be rough about it. Am I doing it the wrong way? Wait, I can't tell which way I'm doing it. Yeah, I think I'm doing it right. Alright, so we got it. It's in there. I don't know if it's supposed to move that much, but I don't care. Right now, we just put the LED thing back. I'm gonna put this back in here. Put that in there, just in case something else happens. You know, I'm not gonna say what is raging. Oh shoot! The light on my phone was still on. You know. We're going to make this very small, very small scroll. If it focuses on this, it's legendary. Focus, come on, focus. Yeah, bring it back a little. Bring it close. Alright, whatever. Hold up, I need to go get Dad's, I'll be right there. We're back. Nothing's wrong. you just, after we put everything in, you know, it'll get secure and it'll do all that. Why is this so hard? Okay. Then we're going to put this in. The screw. Oh shoot. Right. So now the door goes off. Alright, so now we got to connect this thingy. First, I kind of want to clean it because Alright. Oh, it was recording? Now we just have to attach this cord and then try to attach it to this thingy. So just gonna open that. Oh, I still recording. I didn't even notice. Bruh, can you just like come together, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh man, it is annoying. Bruh, I'm still recording. I didn't even know that. Bruh, this isn't freaking working. Don't lose my mind. I'm going to lose my mind. I don't think that's in. Let's plug it in and see if it works. We're all gonna die. Man, how does this work? This is kind of annoying. Alright, when I'm done. I forgot to put the cameras, but it can still come off, but why do my posters always have to keep coming off? I can't stop it though, so you know, whatever. Alright, so now we're gonna put the screws back. I freaking hate when that happens. Alright, now that we did one side, we're gonna clean the grip first of all, because you know, it'd be cool like that. Just cleaning the grip. Gonna put the grip back on. Just like that. Just like that. Now we're gonna press down a little just so it can stick. And then we're going to take the other screw and we're going to put this one in here. Please work. I'm actually begging you. Please. Okay. Whoa, 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 I don't like that. I don't like that. Get that off my skin. Whoa, I didn't like that at all. Gotta get sticky. So now it's sticky. And then we push down and then we do the other. Let's do a different finger. Rub it on there. Don't tell me it's not sticky. Alright, there you go. Gonna put this grip on. Okay. Fully functional. Fully functional. Fully functional. Mouse wheel. Now, all we gotta do, put all this crap back. Bring this stuff down to my dad. And tell him that you're adopted. And that this thing is also not here. What is this thing even for? Like, oh my god. Put me up before you hit that cop. Put this here. Wanna kill me? Yeah. Also, gotta put these back screws in. I wasn't thinking at all. Which one is worn out? I can't really tell. This one is definitely not worn out. Gotta take all this stuff back out. Ow, it feels like needles. Because it is needles. I'm funny, right? This is gonna go really bad. Name game. Judy. And of course, you know, since that thing came from China, I'm not trying to be racist, but why is it yellow? Okay, something's... No, there's no way. What? It's like yellow. Why is it knocking everything over? You always just want to wash your hands in a 1, 2, 8. Turn this on. 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then you want to rinse. And then you dry with the towel. And that's it, basically. And I'll see you guys. Honestly, I don't even know when, but see you guys until then.